How to add a clickable link to your YouTube video description. So if you want to add a clickable link to your YouTube video, then first you just need simply go with your youtube.com on your browser. Once you're here, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and you need to go with YouTube Studio. Under your YouTube Studio, you need to go with your content and select the content in which you would like to add some links. Go with the three dots and you can go with edit, title, and description. And here you need to go with description, and under the description you can paste the link that you would like to add to your description of the video. So, and once you've pasted, now make sure that you have entered https and / because if you've not entered this forward part, then your link won't be clickable. So make sure to enter this part, and once you enter it, as you can see that it says to make external links clickable, you need to first complete your one-time verification. So you need to go with the verification and go with next, and you need to verify with your ID, and once you're verified, then you can go with next, and once you're done with the verification, then you'll be able to add the links in your description. Go with save, and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.